Alright. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Tamia.
Tamia, alright. What type of job you do, Tamia?
I'm a call center worker.
Who?
I'm a call center worker. What's a That's crazy.
This one now buck again.
I didn't know I was supposed to walk in.
Alright. Introduce yourself.
Hey y'all, I'm Onella.
Nala, alright. What type of job you do?
Stripping.
What type of work you do?
I don't want to disclose.
My G, why you pop the balloon? Your name?
Ryan Official. The reason why I'm pop the balloon is I'm working at HR1 call center and most wickedest set of girl them work at call center for I can tell you, first-hand experience. And then when you give on hard, I can't manage.
Call center?
Call center girl them give on hard, my work there bro, I can tell you.
This looks serious, man.
Why you pop the balloon?
Alright, so can I get a 360, please? Exactly. Alright, yes, I messed up. The dress just looked tacky. I know you could have wear something more, appropriate and stuff like that. No, it's not funny. I'm just, but it's just not for me.
The reason why I'm a pop balloon, it's just not my type. She just too thick. You see me? You see her mad and skinny? Yeah, she just too thick. You see me for me? Yeah.
Too thick?
Yeah, she just too thick.
Or like you have thick and you have too thick?
You have too thick, you have thick, you have slim thick.
Into the side, mama. Alright, introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Shan.
Alright, what type of job you do, Shan?
I have my own business and I do dancing, music video, and so.
Alright, not bad. What type of money you like?
Alright, so my type of niggas like, I like tall, brown, skin niggas.
You look humble, you look like a nice person, you just look too soft for me. I'm gonna break your heart, I might be turning a demon. I don't really want that.
I'm already a demon.
Oh my God, Jesus Christ.
Making money, right?
Yeah.
You're making money. Alright, so this is big rolly show. And no disrespect, you're making money. Put yourself better. I like the color chord in it, or what I like the color going on and stuff like that. Can I get a 360, please? Exactly. Alright, yes, I messed up. The dress just looked tacky. I know you could have wear something more, appropriate and stuff like that. No, it's not funny. I'm just, but it's just not for me. I don't like, you have to draw down your skirt, look a bit, man, and walk from right here, come to me. No, I'm being...
Novo Pandora.
Yo, it's the pop the balloon or find love. The man them ready? Yo, the man them ready, Yo, me not lie. It's simple and easy. If a female walk in and you don't like her, pop the balloon based on her appearance, right? If you like her, yeah. First, hold on, before we start. Any man have them ex break up 3 days ago? No? All right, let's do this. Watch out, make sure you leave a like, subscribe below. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Make sure you big up Live Boss for the visual right. That's so. The man them a lead. Me not lie. Chips. Banana chip. Yo, more big up everybody who are show the channel love, Yo, me love, Me have to give you something. We give you one car. Oh, we not stay so. Watch out, the man them ready? When ready? Don't. The man them ready, Yo, the man them, Jello star. We not like Kingston. We there back in Kingston. Mobile, when ready? Mobile ready? Mobile not ready for this. Mobile, comment on a parachute on the day. If you know what we now on a hometown, comment it, man. Saying in the first female, yeah? Alright, watch now. The man them look so then. Yeah. Man them look so. When you fall there so. Yeah. Send in the first female. Man, yeah. So, every man, yeah. All right. That is it. All right. Introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Tamia.
Tamia, all right. What about job you do, Tamia?
I'm a call center worker.
Who?
I'm a call center worker. What's a That's crazy.
This one now buck again.
Oh, whoa. Nobody like call center? All right, then. All right. All right. Hold on, my G. Shout out the social.
Alright, so on Instagram, I'm Italia, and on TikTok is Italian.
All right, we'll find out why them pop the balloon. That good with you?
Sure, that's okay.
All right. We'll come over that side, yeah? All right, my G. Why you just there, to that side there, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah. All right, my G. Why you pop the balloon? Your name?
Ryan Official. On the gram, you know, myself shirt as well, so you can find me at Saints Kingdom Jam. The reason why I'm pop the balloon is I'm working at HR1 call center, and most wickedest set of girl them work at call center from. I can tell you, first-hand experience. You're hot and everything, you know, like you look nice. I like the thickness, because I want a girl with her body big so. You have
Okay,
that.
you work too hard for coming to a flat body girl, though.
Yeah, I can't manage them style, and then when you give on hard, I can't manage
Call center?
call center girl, them give on hard. I work there, bro, I can
Can
tell
I-
you.
Oh, so you work at call center?
Yeah, man, HR, bro. I hear the story, them, I'ma see them first hand.
Or the party?
Bro, them girls are wicked, brother. They have never tell a lie.
It's crazy.
All right. So basically, all right, what you have to say?
I want to add something. I want to ask you a question. You have Netflix at home, right?
Yeah.
You ever look on a movie just by looking at the cover? You be like, no, that no movie they are friggy, but you end up watch it anyway and the show it bad?
Yeah, I know the style. So I say, are you that?
Yeah, because like, why you gonna judge me? It's an honest living. I make money,
Me no say
but go
not
work
honest.
and come. I know, but you're judging me by my
PTSD,
profession.
PTSD.
But-
Hurt. My heart broke, hurt.
But you're sure bad. Yeah, say you're sure bad.
Yeah.
But,
Yeah, I'm
but
just
if no one
saying.
press play, I watch a trailer.
Yeah, I mean, like, why not press play though?
You search for IMDb and see much rating you get out of 10.
All right, how much should I rate her from 1 to 10 now?
That give her 8, man. She's solid. She's nice.
Yeah.
As I say, bro, she probably give about enough too.
Judge
ask her then.
I
You
mean,
eat
what
bird
you-
and them thing there?
Of course, why
Me
not?
not eat bird. I can't there with your cause.
Why you don't eat bread?
No,
Suppose
me
you
no
have
like
nothing in
bread.
your house and a bread alone you have.
Crackers, what do you? Crackers and tea. Get where I come from, you know?
That's
All right.
okay.
All right, so what about him? If him never pop the balloon, how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
9.5.
Done now.
Him give me a vibe.
Give a vibe.
Yeah,
I'm
him look
afraid they give me
humble.
bun, dog.
That's okay. That's okay. But I know my intentions
Yeah.
and it is pure. But whatever you say,
Alright.
we can't really, but it is what it is.
All right, all right.
Ryan Official, find me on the gram at Ryan Official, you know, Saints Kingdom, that I'm a business page, and King's Castle on TikTok, you know, so outside.
Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Letter boss, and the main reason why I'm a pop the balloon is call center girls don't really have time for nobody, is it?
Busy.
Yeah, I mean, it's a toxic you. So, nothing wrong with her and thing. She good enough. She know my style, so she alright, but just now have the time, and he's a very toxic youth, is it?
Oh, so basically she too busy.
Yeah, she get too busy. She not got
I
no time
mean, my campaign, we work from Mondays to Fridays. I'm
Weekend
off on
free.
Weekends.
Still
And it
busy.
depends on the...
If I talk to me every day,
Every
They
day.
talk to you every
Right,
day.
true.
Well, I understand that. You require a lot of attention.
yeah.
That's okay. I
All right.
understand.
So what you think about her?
She alright, man. I like her style, isn't me, and her attitude.
Her attitude good.
She's a very...
So much should I rate her?
I give her 7 so far, you know?
So,
Yeah.
what you think about him respond?
If him opinion,
And I'm
like
honest.
him, like, exactly. So, that's that.
And I'm true, too. And I don't have time for nobody.
That's true because
Right.
I practically spend more time at work than my own yard. So,
Wow.
Good.
You know, Wally.
yeah, it's a call
So much should
center
I rate
thing.
him from 1 to 10?
I'll give you a 7.5. Your dress good, but could have your ear a little bit.
I know it's true, I never have the time still.
No, that's okay. That's
All right. I feel this in him. I don't know. I feel it.
Yeah, man, I don't know. Letter boss there, is it A to Z?
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. What's your name? We'll find out why you pop the balloon. Your name?
I'm Lee. Reason why I pop the balloons is just not my type, you know?
You know, like them too thick.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Alright.
just
Because
because
she
she
say
thick?
I'm a workout guy still, so
Just because
I
she
feel
thick?
like, you know, I have to depend part with him. So
no,
that's
not
okay.
necessarily that. I'm more like light skin woman, like very light skin.
Oh, she not.
Too
She not
light.
light skin. Oh, she not light skin enough.
Yeah, basically, isn't it? So,
Robot some more.
yeah. So,
So you think about her?
we're at 6.5 still, I know?
6.5.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. What you say about him? If he never pop the balloon,
I give you an 8. You look nice. I like the whole thing going on. You put yourself together. You're going with yourself.
Respect.
Yeah.
alright? Alright, my G. Why you pop the balloon? Your name?
Well, you know, say a Sammy official for the gram is in one Sammy official. And the reason why I'm pop balloon is just not my type. She just too thick. You see me? You see her mad and skinny. Yeah, she just too thick. You see me for me? Yeah.
Too thick.
Yeah, she just too thick.
Or like you have thick and you have too thick.
You have too thick, you have thick, you have slim thick, you have slick. Yeah, exactly.
So which one that? Which she or who?
She's just too thick for me. Alright.
Okay, alright. So what you think about her? Differently than her
Well, you know,
thickness.
say she beautiful. You see me? I like girl who wear like blonde, different color wig. Some sister she's a girl who can put herself together. She look good. If you're a too thick girl, she know for bring her for her style and you see me put herself together. So she can go on. You see me? I like her other from the too thick. Yeah. So she be my match if she never too thick.
Too thick.
Oh, so much should I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
But I'm gonna give her 7.5.
7.5.
Yeah.
You think about him or you think about Sammy?
Sammy good. Him look nice. Like the shoes, everything. But why you have on the tag? Why you have on the tag on your pants? See?
Why you have on the tag on your pants?
Yeah.
Sorry about that. It's Countryman alone pop tag. But you see the tag, it comes with the pants.
Okay.
I pop the one at the back,
Back.
because that not for you with it. But this is the iron one. But yeah. that
Okay,
is
so it's
the-
just for fashion and stuff.
Just for fashion and style.
Okay, no problem.
Alright, Sammy? Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Alright, somebody pop the balloon. We're gonna find out why. Yo. Alright, my G. Why you pop the balloon? Your name?
Rain. Rain is the name, like rain outside. Yeah. All right. So the reason I'm put the balloon is because I was waiting just to hear what you have to say, isn't it? And then after me hear what you have to say, you resemble my ex. She a wicked, bro. She a wicked.
But that not mean say me a wicked. Me can be the nice one.
Exactly like your ex?
Not exactly, but you know what I mean. Yeah. I mean, you can be the nice one, but me not really like take the chances again. Now.
That's okay.
Yeah.
You're being defensive, cautious.
Oh, so she gave her flashback vibes.
Yeah. Like a wicked
Deja
one.
vu.
A wicked one, isn't me?
Alright.
A wicked one, bro.
Nice. So based on her appearance though, what you think about her?
I mean, like me say, she look like my ex, so you don't know she. You know what I mean?
Jaja.
I give her 8.
You don't want to give her a compliment because you're going to compliment the ex. That you say?
Kinda, isn't it? I'm saying, I'm saying she wicked already, but my girl 8.
8.
Yeah.
It's giving 9.5.
9.5.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Like how you put yourself together. As a man for look. You know?
Thank you.
As a man for look clean, trim up, nice, everything. Like the watch. You're giving.
Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Alright.
Man get jealous.
Huh?
Man jealous. Watching a man a Rainson attack, isn't me? I say, Rainson music that I social media page, isn't me? One way and other way. Bad.
Come on, we'll find out why they didn't pop the balloon. Alright, my G. Well, why you pop the balloon all of a sudden?
Once in a blue moon, me trim up and nice, you know.
Eh?
Once in a blue moon, me trim up and nice.
So not every day you trim up.
Every day me trim up. So why go when me not trim up?
I'm not get the money for got trim.
Nah, but here we go on. And every moment me in the meds for got a barber.
Don't make sure see your ear comb, come comb ear too. Make sure see you look like a decent boy
I
all the
realize
time.
when I start worry about the wrong things.
Oh, you just want to keep it out.
But you just now meds that if that I go do, it I go do. There's a time and place for everything. Sometimes I in the meds for do my ear. I don't want nobody to pressure me, so I have to do my ear.
Oh.
I got pressure your
Like
face.
meds me ear so much. Look how brown boss there. I saw me have it up more while I'm feel comfortable like that.
Okay. So
But you
basically,
could still I give you a 9, because I like thick girls. You're brown. I like the look of wig style and them thing there. But I just not like people worry about the wrong things.
That's okay.
so you say she gotta focus too much on your groomness.
Yeah.
Well, I like my guys well groomed. Because I'm always make sure some hair cream, cut up, whatever. You get what I say?
Alright.
So, and all the time I look, whatever still in them. I'm not going to tell you, say I look while 1 and 2 time, but I like my niggas groomed.
Yeah?
Right? And I give you a 9.5.
9.5.
I got you.
Yeah?
The 5 come off, guy. Why not on a belt?
And that's the other thing, right? About the wrong stuff. You're not seeing, some fit nice even without the belt. You know what I mean? But I got you though. I'll fix the 5% with the belt.
Alright, my G. Big up.
Yeah. Your boy Fitzroy, you can find me up on the IG at DaddyRoy, DADDII.ROII. TikTok, one father, big up Rolly. Def.
Alright, so the male them where pop the balloon, just walk with grip. Alright, so you left back with 2 meals right now. Come to the side, MG. Left back with 2 meals, right? Alright, so I'm gonna make you ask them a question. Get to know them. Any question you want to ask them. Based on them answer, we're gonna see if it's a match or not, yeah? You. Who you pick?
You.
Alright, your name?
I'm Javier.
Some volume, you're Javier?
Yeah, Javier.
All right. What kind of work do you do?
I am a banker.
Okay. All right. See me, want to take me out. Where would you take me for the first time?
First time, as I guess a restaurant get together to just talk over some food, chill.
Fair enough.
Yeah?
Yeah. fair
Restaurant, food, full belly?
enough. Not necessarily. I like my things simple.
Alright, what's the question?
How old are you?
I'm actually 35.
35. Kind of off my scale still. I don't mind my niggas old, but kind of off my scale.
Alright, so no question? That's
No,
the question?
yeah, that's the question.
Oh, that's the question. Alright, so based on the question they ask and you get the answer, when you pop 1 first balloon. I not even want to ask why, because I probably know, right? But we'll find out, right? Come to the side there. You have to tell me why you pop his balloon.
Alright, so you're just not my type. You're just not my type overall.
Oh, it's not the age?
The age, first made up on the same. I like to rest on the chest. I don't want to be bending. You know?
Okay.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, he's just not my type.
So much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
I'll give you a 5.5.
5.5? What do you think about that, Maji?
Well, overall, I'm okay with that.
Alright. Wait. What do you think about she?
For she overall, the reason why I kept the balloon unpopped was because for a fluffy girl, she know how to carry herself. Nails, toes, them not cranny, and all of them thing there. So
I do nails, by the way, so I get them done. It doesn't cost me a thing.
no, okay. Well,
Alright.
that's for me.
Oh, so that's the reason.
Yeah.
So much should I rate her?
Basically, I'll give her an 8.
8. Alright. Alright, not so bad.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so it wasn't a match today. Walk with grace here. Alright, my G. So it's down to 1. You're gonna ask her a question. We're gonna see if it's a match. That good with you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Your question?
What role do you think that a female would play in a household?
The one that will make the household a home.
The one that will make the household a home.
A
yes.
home.
Yeah.
So, example, all right, you work, you come in, the dinner is all prepared, you're tired, I can be someone that you can vent to. Practically, in a nutshell, I'll be a peace.
That keyword piece.
Peace, right? I'm not gonna stress you.
Yeah.
I'm very homebody. I don't really like go out much, just from time to time. I love my yard. But yeah, I'll make it a home for you.
Okay.
Alright. So she answered the question?
Answer the question.
Alright, my G. So based on the answer,
She asks you a question, you ask her. Is this that much?
No. So what you
It's not that much?
No, it's not so much.
Are you half a popping balloon? Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah. You have to tell me why it's not that much. Why you popping balloon?
Alright. Okay, so basically he's nice and all that. I like your vibe. But it's just not my type. Not my type. It's just not my type.
Alright. What do you think about that, Maji?
Just what it is.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so you never pop your balloon. Why?
I mean, she carries herself well, so she look nice. So, and I was interested to hear more, so I listen.
Okay, alright, so much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
I'm at 8.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think about him?
8.5 because I was speaking to someone earlier and I was like, you know, to put yourself together, you look nice, you dress nice, like an orange shirt going on for you. But it's just
Orange is your favorite color?
No, it's actually pink.
Okay. Alright, so there's no match today.
No.
Alright, my G, it's not a match. Walk with Grace here.
Alright, hey guys, the name is Javier. Instagram Reivaj, that's REIVAHJ753.
Alright, so today you never get a match, You choose not to make it a match. Yeah?
Come on, no.
Because you never pop theme balloon, you pop the next one. Right? Alright, so you know what to do. Walk with Grace.
Walking with the Grace.
Yeah. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Alright, watching the people. Rate the lineup, no man. Me not like Kingston. Wanna come out. You see it? Me not like the Kingston people them. Wanna say no want the video at Kingston. I will bring it to Kingston. Maybe a look out. What you say? Mandeville? What wanna say? Which part next?
Girl level.
Oh, girl level. Bring in the next female for me now. Girl level. My bad.
Oh, you're good, man.
Yeah. Next female. Yeah. Alright, so every man just look to that. No, you don't have to turn, just your head. Yeah. But just don't want to look. Cash out walk, Alright, come to that side, yeah? Mike. Come to that side, man.
Oh. I didn't know I was supposed to walk in.
Alright, introduce yourself.
Hey y'all, I'm Onella.
No, alright. What type of job you do?
Stripping. Oh! Just kidding.
Oh, you were kidding.
Just kidding.
Just kidding.
I'm a TikToker.
Okay.
Oh, shout out to all my coworkers and all my gifters.
Alright, bad. What type of guy you like though?
I like me a man who's gonna love me unconditionally, who's gonna protect me, who's gonna provide for me, and who's gonna treat me like the queen that I am.
Vibes.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Shout out to TikTok, your social.
Oh, Onella Savas on TikTok and on Instagram.
Alright, so I just one meal pop the balloon, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna find out why, right?
All right, let's go.
Alright. Alright, my G, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
The name of rain, isn't it? Like the rain outside.
Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Good. How are you?
I'm good. You're looking beautiful, by the way. Just have to let you know that.
Thank you.
But you pranked me, though. You shouldn't do that.
I should have never said I was a stripper.
No. I hear I go on. I'm going to tell them pop balloon, though, right?
Why?
All right. So the thing is, you look nice and everything, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm the type of man who, like, my woman.
Mm-hmm.
When you walk the way there, I saw the ass cheek. It looked good still, but, like.
It's poking. I can't do
yeah, I
nothing.
saw it, but
Okay.
you know what I mean?
Okay.
That alone, and then you say I strip up on top of it, it kind of just match now. You get me? I say?
Oh, she look like the part. That you say?
No, not like that.
Oh.
Stripper means that she say, you know what I mean?
Oh.
But
Like the appearance.
the dress code, I see the hands and then she say, yo, you know what I mean? She strip.
So I look like a stripper.
See, me
Say
don't want
yeah.
it so like.
No, it's okay. I look like a stripper.
That you say?
I look like a stripper. That was actually the look. So accomplished.
Kind of, just move it. You know what I mean?
Alright, so.
She say she had some of those things she had.
Alright, so what you think about her based on her appearance? How much should I rate it?
Yeah, I'm tell her that she look beautiful the first time she walked us. Like, you really look beautiful. Like, me give her a 9, isn't it?
I
9.
appreciate it.
Why 9?
I'm like her dimple them.
Because I didn't pay a 9?
No, she beautiful.
Alright, boy. And what do you think about him?
He cool.
Cool?
Yeah, and he's very respectful,
appreciate it.
so I like that.
You like that?
Yeah.
Alright, so based on him appearance, how much did I rate him?
I like your shirt, and we got both graphic shirts, so
Appreciate.
I'll give you a little and you got nice skin.
Thank you.
Yeah, your face looks nice, so I'll give you like a 7.
All right, I appreciate me. Take that.
You welcome.
Yeah, heaven. You know what I mean?
7.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. I come to the side, mama.
Okay.
Right, mama. Yeah? So you have some balloons today. Based on the males them never get for pop them balloon because they come out, you know? So you're gonna get a chance to pop their balloon based on appearance. So you're gonna pop 2 male balloon based on them appearance, yeah? Give me a pic.
Oh God.
Based on them appearance, okay?
So without question, it's just going
yeah,
to
just
pop.
yeah, based on the appearance. Who's it gonna be?
Look me my eye. Look me my eye. Look me my eye. Look me my eye. All right, you looked away, so you're gonna get a little pop. All right. And I'm a little thickums, you know, so I don't know if you can handle it. So you gotta get a pop, babe. But you cute though.
All right.
You know,
all right.
cute.
All right, so we'll find out why you pop. First person, yeah?
All right.
Your name?
Odin.
Why you pop
Hi,
Odin
Odin.
balloon?
When I asked him to look at me, he looked away. You were supposed to look me dead in my eyes.
So what does that mean?
No confidence. You gotta look me dead in my eye. That's what I asked for. You were supposed to give it to me.
Okay.
So what do you think about that?
I have no problem with that.
Did you have confidence?
Overall, yeah.
Then you should have looked me in my eye.
All right. Sometimes it does not have anything to do with what a person says at the time,
Okay.
but what you think inside overall.
Okay.
All right, all right. All
Okay.
right, so what do you think about him based on him appearance? How much did I rate him?
I'll give him a 5. Yeah.
5.
Yeah.
Why 5?
He's just shorter than I am. Or I don't know if it's my boots, but yeah. A 5.
5.
Yeah.
Out of 10?
Yeah.
What do you think about her?
Well, basically, you have a nice smile.
Thank you.
I like your eyes.
Thank you.
And basically, you seem like a cool person.
How much did I rate her?
I'll give you a 7.
7.
Okay.
Yeah? All right, come to that side here.
TikTok, Crypto, One Shot Boss, IG, Odin's the name.
All right. All right, so we're going to find out why you pop his balloon.
He's skinny. Look at me. I'm bigger than him. I'm bigger than you.
Man, go on second, man.
Nah, I'm bigger than you. You skinny.
Which part you bigger than me?
Way bigger than you.
In your boots. So I'm telling you, man, that's topic prank, man.
Nah, I'm bigger than you. But you cute though. I like your skin. Like you take care of your skin. So I like
What
that.
like about you?
What you like about
Like
me?
you look sassiness.
You like that?
Yeah.
Alright.
But you can go and see a mad little bit. But that give a little sauce. But
Okay.
you go with the awesomeness, man.
I like that.
Awesomeness.
Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
All right, so how much did
I
I rate her?
appreciate you.
Don't know she a G already. Me give her 8.5, man. She bad
Okay.
enough.
You turn it off because of what?
Time stop tricky people and behave like say, yeah, well, strip her arm to you, man. Behave yourself, man. And you get a 3, you know, man.
3.
But they get a
Because I said I was a
8.5.
stripper?
Yeah, and you go on like you want to come prank up the thing and move it. Behave yourself, you know.
Okay, I'll behave.
Alright.
So what do you think about him? How much did I rate
I
him?
like his skin. You got really, really nice skin. I'll say if you put on a little bit of weight, you know,
So me a turning on you, man.
could it be about a 7, but right now I'm gonna give you a 6 because I'm gonna give it to you because of your face.
Alright, bye.
So
Yeah.
6 because of how him look
Yeah,
in
your
the face.
Your face type nice.
All right. All right, my G. Everybody, hold on. Everybody who balloon get pop, walk with grace.
Bye, y'all.
All right. Mail them right to say you never get for pop them balloon. Now make you ask them a question, right?
Alrighty.
All right, so go ahead. Who first you ask a question?
Do I look like a stripper?
No, not really. The stocking kind of, you know, them have them stocking there when them want to do like a pole dancing thing. But other than that, no. When we get where I come from still, just the attire and then you trick the dog, you sham him. If I did we do that, that'd be different. The comment to the lie way up. So you have to be aware where you are the one.
My bad. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
You forgive me?
Yeah, I forgive you.
I appreciate that.
All right then.
Okay.
So that was the question?
Yeah.
All right. Who next?
Why did you go do a background check on me? He told me that he ran my file. Why you did that?
So you have put him on spot like that.
Yeah, why you went and he ran my file, y'all? Why you went ahead and did that?
Because I have trust issue because I lost relationship. So at the end of the day, I have to know what I deal with.
Don't come bring your past over here. It's not gonna happen. Sorry, babe.
So, all right.
No. If you got trust issues, you better go to therapy. You need healing.
Therapy. I don't need for good therapy.
So what you need?
Life I go make me know who I'm for deal with and who I can trust.
Nah.
You just quick for do something because you're guilty.
I mean, that's your opinion.
In my opinion, and your opinion
Yeah.
for me go with my past. So my opinion if
Yeah.
you want to stay.
I feel like I wouldn't bring my past relationship in
I
the
not
future.
bring my past relationship in the future, but I have to have my foot down 10 toes.
I told you about 10 toes. Look at you using my words.
All right. How much should I rate? How much should I rate MG from 1 to 10?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
You know you love this. I like your freak.
Cha. Wait, about him?
I like his freckles, and he's naturally light skinned, so you're not, I like your freckles. Your freckles are nice. I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Go back to the question. Go back to you last. What the question here?
If I told you I wanted to go to Cancun, Mexico, what would be your response?
I'm ready to book the flight. Let's go.
I know that's right. Okay.
Yeah? All right. What the question for him?
Let me see your smile. Are you naturally light skinned or do you bleach?
I am naturally light skinned. I just use oil on my skin to
What you mean oil?
keep it like body oil to keep it moisturized and good and clean and nice and healthy. You see me?
Does it lighten your skin?
Yeah.
Let me see your
You
knuckles.
classify it as bleaching?
Babe. Baby, I'm sorry. Sorry, babe. Ladies, never trust a man that bleaches his skin and wears extension. Sorry, baby.
Extension?
Yeah. 2 girls can't be in the house.
All right, so why you popping balloon? Because
Because he bleach. Everybody knows I don't like them when they bleach.
Yeah, it's that.
All right,
So
so
that's it.
what you think about she, Sammy?
Well, she can go on still, you see me? She attractive, you see me?
All right, so how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
8.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
What you like about her?
She look like she know her game, you see me? She can put herself together like that, you see me? Can go road with her, you see me? And she bring up thing and you see me? But I know I'm happy.
Normal. What you think about him? How much should I rate him
I'll
based
give
on?
you an A2. You actually have a nice face, but stop bleaching. You're a
Stop
handsome
using
man.
oil.
All right,
Body
stop. Stop using body oil. You got a nice face. Like, you don't need it.
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to find out why him pop film balloon, right?
Okay.
All right, so my G. You never pop the balloon, but after a while you pop it. Why?
She not on a style, bro. She tell the man say, I want this right beside her, man. You know, on a style. If you play the game decent, play the game discreet, you know, on a style. You have to look for me, you know, smile with me, and then go to our next man and say, I know you want this. Okay, that's style that. How grow you?
Oh, she too blunt.
Not even blunt, bro. Watch you know. You can play your game in a car. If she a rhythm up, rhythm at my door ear. She a rhythm at my ear, bro.
Oh, so you rather I do it behind your back?
No, I'm not say do it behind them, but not do it none at all, cause
Okay.
you know don't see money. That's already one more money on. But it's fine though. It's fine. My next life.
Yeah?
The other one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what you think about her based on her appearance?
She clean one. She nice.
Clean.
Maybe in the next lifetime.
Or the other one after that.
All right.
Can you have her up? For that.
I ask you a question. The index toe longer than your big toe? The toe, you know the toe, that toe, your index toe? The 1 second to your big toe? You know, index toe?
What that mean? You want to see it?
No, me I ask if it longer than the big toe.
No, I don't. All my toes are even. No.
See,
No.
you don't even know what I'm going for.
No, because you just confused me.
I'm confused you.
You asking me about toes. I never had that question.
What you start? You see if your index toe longer than your big toe, you beat man on them things. Them can't manage your style.
Oh.
See, you hear a man and say true there. You can't see me no, but a man just say true. So you learn game if our index toe longer than our big toe, she beat man on them things there.
Oh, you're not depend on that?
No, I'm not depend on that, man.
All right, my G. All right, cool. Come to the side, mama.
Oh, and I like your clothing brand. Oh, thank you very much. You're welcome.
All right, so once in a balloon get popped, walk with grace for me now. Sammy, you know how walk with grace? All right, so last meal left, right?
Okay.
I'm going to make him ask you a question based on the answer. We're going to see if it's a match or not. You ready?
Okay.
One question, my G.
What's your go-to food?
Louder?
What's a go-to food for you?
Poke bowl and sushi.
Poke what?
Poke bowl and
What's
sushi. It's like raw salmon, fish, shrimp.
Oh, okay.
Like raw food, like sushi.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the question? I more want to know, is this a match?
Why you got pain right here?
Because pain is temporary, you know. You go through a lot of things in life, so it's.
Huh? Is this a match?
Take your hat off, let me see.
My hat?
Yeah.
My hair kind of squished down because of the hat still, so yeah. Shana. So, she forced me to it. Anyways.
Why is not a match? Why pop the balloon?
Because, Rolly, him coming here with his hair like that is unacceptable. I had to get my hair done, I had to get my nails done, and I had to get my toes done.
Oh.
Well,
So you should have came here.
My hair just was late, anyways. So
No, absolutely not.
Well, guess what? It's fine.
No.
I appreciate whatever you have to say.
Yeah, so how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
I get a solid 5 still.
5?
Yeah.
Solid 5?
Yeah.
What do you think about that, Onella?
I'll say a 2 because his lips is dry.
Just buy this, you think that, yeah. Good life, you hear me? Yeah. All right then. So it's not a match here. Walk with grace here. The mic expensive, you know. People, if it mash up Onella here in our comment section here. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Alright, watching the people, you know my thing. Rate the lineup. The man them there in a Kingston. Tell me, you know, if I miss or not. The man them, rate the lineup. Tell me how I do. When, alright, right?
Active girl, look at.
One girl come out my ear. Too like.
She nice so far. I say, "Body big son, man. Body big son."
Okay, alright, my G. No problem. Send in the next female, okay? Bring her in. Alright, introduce yourself.
My name is...
Yeah, it work.
My name is Malisha Lindsay, and I'm 21.
Oh, you're 21? Yeah. What type of work you do?
I don't want to disclose.
I will find out why them pop the balloon. Shout out to social first. Moya come closer to right. Yeah, mama. So shout out to social.
It's Girl Candy on TikTok.
Alright, no problem. I'll find out why them pop. Start right here, so. Good? Want to start right here, sir?
No.
Don't start? No, mommy. No? No? Alright, let's go down here. You don't want to walk past here. Alright, my G. Why you pop the balloon?
Alright, first off, she too slim, isn't it? Yeah, too slim and not too like slim girl. No, I've nothing against it. Just slim girl is not my type, you know? I like them kind of thick and then you're 21, so like the age thing as well.
Okay.
That's the only thing, but different from that. That's it.
All right. Our age and our body.
She too slim for me, isn't it?
All right. So, all right, based on how she look, what you think?
Give her 6.
6 out of 10.
Yeah.
Why 6?
Just because.
You just throw a 6 out there.
Just throw a 6 out there on the dice.
What do you think about him?
I like lock hair.
I like him locks.
Yeah.
All right, how much did I rate him? What do you think about him?
5 because I don't like his tattoo.
I mean, I like him tattoo.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Okay, that's cool.
Oh, 5 because of the tattoo?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. All right. All right, no problem?
No problem, I'm good with
This
that.
tattoo is weird.
Is what?
The tattoo is weird.
It weird.
That's weird?
Yeah.
And this weird?
It's weird.
What
That one is weird.
Why is it weird?
I've never said it like that. It weird.
Where you come from?
Half a tree.
Half a tree? Yeah. So you don't, there's a clock in a half a tree, right?
Yeah.
You don't see a clock right there?
Yeah.
Alright, now I'm gonna take about my 6. That's 2 you get, isn't it?
Sure. Yeah, get her 6.
Yeah, I give her 6 because she kinda, I mean, just a try to be nice, but you should not understand tattoo and them things they say you get a 2, you know what I mean?
Alright.
Everything, you know what I mean? The hair, the dressing, everything. Yeah, you never put yourself together, you know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, that's it, so.
All right, my G. Big up.
Yeah, I'm good.
All right. Come down the line. We can go down the line.
Sure.
All right. I just want to use the mic here.
Yeah.
All right, my G. Wipe out the balloon.
Alright, so based off appearance and on my style. Secondly, age, too young. Nothing wrong with the overall still, you know, but just the age, the way you dress. You come on road, put yourself together. You see me? And then everybody feel you say,
What do you mean?
alright. Some aspects of the dressing, your body is basically a temple. You see me? So you alone for you say them something there, you see me? And then everybody out the road for you look by you and I say, oh, mother want a piece of that or you see me?
Okay. All right. So how much did I rate her?
Well, I give her a 5
5.
based off of the
Appearance.
appearance.
All right. What do you think about him?
He is okay.
All right. Him just okay. How much did I rate him, like, based on his
6.
appearance? 6 out of 10?
Yeah.
Why 6?
Honesty. I like the honesty.
Okay. So you give him a 6 because of the honesty?
Yeah.
So why the next 4? Huh? What you say?
No, I'm not gonna say anything.
You're not gonna say it?
No.
All right. All right. Come to the side here. All right, my G. Why you pop the balloon?
Alright, so firstly, our age, and then understand what the must say as it regards her appearance. Probably is a rush thing, but you can see she look decent in her real life, or just the outfit for me. And she could have styled her hair a bit, you know? But other than that, she Gucci.
Our ear?
Yeah.
I'm to our ear.
But know the part, them me and say like, yeah, I fall for look love. Just a little, you know?
Or the part in our ear?
No, I'm just say, you know the regular 2 part. Watch out, you try to draw me out.
No, me I ask.
try doing
Nah, me I ask you a general question.
Alright, the part would be like, you know, she wake up on a Monday, she late for work, she just drop in a quick part. Me and say, I expect something a little
That,
more
I just elaborate. I just want to understand because sometimes I'm slow.
You try to draw me out, boy. Dirty style.
All right. What do you think about him?
He's okay. I don't see anything wrong with him.
You don't see nothing wrong with him?
No.
So what I try with the whole of it just okay, so? So now when I look good, now when I make sense.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Mother never,
8.
oh, that makes sense. That
Yeah.
makes sense. That makes sense.
Yeah?
Mother never send me out of my yard for you say me look okay.
You're outspoken.
Like,
But
Yeah,
for real still,
sassy.
I just
Yeah,
a fit
like-
man, just fix up the fit and drop the air and believe say you're active. No, I mean, the sassy thing, I don't really work with it, but I understand. what
no, she say you're sassy.
Jamaica over there, you know, fix that, say yeah, I'm outspoken, I'm not sassy. Them boy they over so sassy, weird. No, them boy they did it, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
all right, my G. All right, come to that side and more. All right, my G. Why you pop the balloon?
No, this girl is from she come here. I feel like she have something against me. You know? Just a stare from me and a cut her eye and all of them things.
Wait,
No, just no, I know my type. She good, is it?
she good.
She been and give me some bad face, to is it? I don't really have nothing bad to say about her. Still, she good. That's it.
What you think about him? What you have to say about that?
Okay, mine.
Look like one of them girlies type.
Me?
Yeah.
Probably. Probably not. But you're unsure about that. But you're not sure.
So much should I rate her, G?
Like, yeah, a 5 still. It's just that I don't really like girls are too short.
Oh, so
She never prepare for the thing that she could have looked better. And I'm say, if she does 2 ears ring in her ear, and you know what I say, one nice hairstyle and get them French tip and some little thing, you know?
French tip?
Yeah, you know them.
Oh, alright, I understand.
That's gay. Sorry.
Yeah?
That's gay.
Who?
You.
Sorry.
Oh, so you think that's for me?
Alright, so how much should I rate him from 1 to 10?
3.
3. 3 from 10?
Yeah.
Why?
Overall,
Not too
not my
truthful.
type of person.
Not your type?
Yeah.
Why? Why?
That's why the look. That's why I was giving you the looks from there.
Not your type?
No.
Alright. Alright?
Yeah, man. She,
Alright. Jaja. Come to the side of mama. Alright, why you pop the balloon?
Well, honestly, it's not really my type still, but she's decent. She's alright.
Yeah?
Not really my type. Nah.
No?
Mm-mm.
What do you think about him?
Always I make eye contact. That's good. And he's calm.
Alright. Alright. So much should I rate him? What do you think about him?
7.
7.
Mm.
What do you think about she, Maji?
You're a 2.
2.
Yeah. It's not anything funny, but I'm just not my type.
It's a 2 out of 10.
Yeah.
Alright.
Chill.
You good with that?
Yeah.
Alright then. Cool. Come to the side, eh? Your name, Maji? Why you pop the balloon?
Alright, so I didn't pop my balloon first. Reason being, because I don't like judging books by the cover, right? But if we can't judge a book by its cover, at least give us some information. We know what's in the book, right? But that's only one. How old are you?
21.
21. And alright, you're basically doing some stuff that you're making money, right?
Yeah.
You're making money. Alright, so this is big rolly show. And no disrespect, you're making money. Put yourself better. I like the color chord in it, or what I like the color going on and stuff like that. Can you get a 360, please? Exactly. Alright, yes, I messed up. The dress just looked tacky. I know you could have wear something more, appropriate and stuff like that. No, it's not funny. I'm just, but it's just not for me. I don't like, you have to draw down your skirt, look a bit, man, and walk from right here, come to me. No, I'm being...
Hold on, stop. Alright. Walk with grace for my number G. Walk with grace. Walk with. Him now well met. Alright, continue.
You're good, yeah. I like your nice personality, but I just don't like the fact that your grades are so low for the others, and them kind of come well put together as well. So I think, just that's all. Just spend some of the money on your clothes. That's all. I'm good. So I'll give you a 4, but other than from that, just dating, Yeah.
What do you think about him? Him say a lot.
Yeah, honesty.
Him honest.
Yeah.
And you like that?
Yeah.
Alright, how much should I rate him? Based on how him look and him honesty combined.
5.
5.
Yeah.
Why you give him a 5?
I really like beard. I like the
You not like him beard? Oh, you not like beard come all the way across?
No.
You like narrow beard.
You like tall guys, you said?
Yeah.
I'm taller than you, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright?
I'm okay.
Yeah. Alright, my G. Alright, continue.
You're good, yeah. I like your nice personality, but I just don't like the fact that your grades are so low for the others, and them kind of come well put together as well. So I think, just that's all. Just spend some of the money on your clothes. That's all. I'm good. So I'll give you a 4, but other than from that, just do your thing, Yeah.
And what you think about him? Him say a lot.
Yeah, honesty.
Him honest.
Yeah,
And you like that?
yeah.
How much you rate him? Based on how him look and him honesty combined.
5.
5.
Yeah.
Why you give him a 5?
I really like beard. I like the.
You not like him beard? Oh, you not like beard come all the way across?
No.
You like narrow beard?
You like tall guys, you said?
Yeah.
I'm taller than you, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
I'm okay.
Yeah. All right, my G. Why you pop the balloon?
Well, the reason why I'm pop the balloon is she not attire for the show. She not. I see the color where she try to come in and you see my image, man. I know my style. So she have to match up to my level, you see me? Well, I'm not going to say, I can't judge her for that, because I don't know what I'm make you could fix up yourself a better. Like, you look humble, you look like a nice person, you just look too soft for me. I'm going to break your heart, I might be turning a demon. I don't really want that.
I'm already a demon.
Oh my God, Jesus Christ.
Huh? What you say?
See that you can't judge the books by cover, you see,
Yeah.
But other from that, she can go and, I just look a fix up, look a thing. You see me and that and that. But she can go and look a natural Indian, you call it East Indian. Mix. Indian and East Indian.
Indian and East Indian? Come on. Try Indian and cool.
Indian and cool, you see me. But yeah, you get me saying.
Alright, so much you rate her?
I give her 5. Is it 5 for now? Because I don't know how that.
Oh, 5 for now.
Yeah, 5 for now.
Alright, what do you think about him?
I really love your braces.
Yeah. Oh yeah, 1K braces for you, you see me? I'm a business that. Oh yeah, next thing. Whenever like or you never proud for say you're hustling or where you do for making money, you see me? Well, get a youth, you see me? If I proud of your hustling, you see me? I say, yes.
No matter what.
No matter what. And if I bag juice, I say, you see me, mama? But that still.
Alright, that's good. Good? Alright, so the man will pop the balloon, walk with grace. Alright, so we have 1 meal. Come to the side, MG. We have 1 meal. We never pop him balloon.
I don't know why.
You know why?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so you're going to ask him a question. We're going to see based on him answer. We're going to see if it's a match, okay? What question?
She look like she want pop it already.
What's your favorite color?
I'm a blue person.
That's my favorite color.
That's your favorite color?
Yeah.
1 down. Alright. Maggie, I want you to ask her a question and we're going to see how it works out here. What's the question?
Alright, what would be your reaction to a date if somebody not necessarily say buy some food and carry go on the lookout, go just, take a view?
I'm more of an introvert, so movies would kind of be a better thing.
Right,
you know?
that works as well.
Alright, good. Alright, cool. Alright, so I want to know if this is a match. Is this a match? Is this a match for you? No? Is this a match for you, Muji?
I mean, things did it, what we see, but it just, I don't know why, but no.
No?
No.
Alright, so you have a pop. It's not a match because why?
Something. Just something.
Something about him?
Yeah.
Something. You can't put your hand on it.
Yeah.
Alright, Muji, walk with grace here. Alright, so today you never get a match. You have to go walk with grace, okay? Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Maji, watch the girls them, the people them on the street, always I say the man them a be disrespectful. Me not lie. I feel nervous when the man them there so. Wanna disrespectful?
No, honest opinion.
Oh, no.
True, bro. Can't. That's true.
No.
I have to speak the truth, bro.
I just the truth.
Nah, bro, nah.
Watching, hold on, no man. Watching the man, people. I don't want to no bully the man, them, you know, because them just like what? What you say?
Really, how come when them a do bad, they comment them nah, so them a do the man them bad. So when we talk now, automatically we are do them bad.
Oh, the world no level, my G. The world no level. You see it? Send in the next female. You see me? Make sure to leave a like. Make sure to comment below. Like boss, the camera and lock off. I need a next camera here, cause it'll go. Send in the next female. Alright, when we can turn on. Right, sir. Come right, sir, mama. Introduce yourself.
Hi, everybody. I'm Zan.
I just use the mic here. Alright, what type of job you do, Zan?
Alright, so I'm
What type of job you do?
a graphic designer. I'm a graphic designer and also I own a bar and many other things.
Alright, you kind of nervous, like
Nervous, yeah.
Okay, I understand that.
I'm
Good
afraid
one.
of the balloon.
Just use the mic, yeah?
Yeah, I'm afraid of the balloon.
Okay. Alright, so what's your type though?
I don't really have a type, but it depends on the maturity of the person
Yeah.
and the person's personality, etc.
Alright, good. Alright, we're gonna find out why them pop the balloon. That good?
Yes, that's fine.
Alright, let's do this. I'm gonna start right here, sir. Alright, my G, why you pop the balloon?
You know, so I'm a friend from school, man. I used to go to
Exactly. We're friends.
From school?
Yeah,
School.
from primary school.
I'm gonna just ask you if you're ex out there.
It's not ex.
Some friend.
We're friends
From
from
school days, bro. School
Yeah.
friends.
Like crush?
No.
Just school
Friends.
friends, my G.
Or like your friend zone?
No, man, I never nothing like that, man. That's my G from all the time, you know?
Okay, I say a G, so you basically pop the balloon because of that.
Yeah, I'm charged, man.
So much
Yeah,
that?
I never have that level, isn't it?
Oh, so you would reach us, sir?
No, that's my friend, man. That's my friend.
How much did I rate your friend?
I get a 8.
8. And what you think about him?
I give him a 7.
7.
Yeah.
As a friend.
As a friend, 7.5.
Eh?
Nah, good, man. Good.
Alright, let's do this. Come down the line. Alright, Muji, why you pop the balloon?
Because she have on a KC armband and a JC me used to go. Man, I dig them style, eh? A dirty style, that. Find a man who go KC, man. Go on down the line, my bro. She look good in about.
Have an hour?
KC armband, a Kingston College armband. Yeah. Man, I program them style. Man, I do them thing.
Oh, so she...
I want college in a Jamaica and a Jamaica college in a father.
And it's closer to where I live also.
See that you find a man near here, you then mums.
So, alright. So, how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her a 7.5 still. She thick on them thing there, but can't get the purple thing out of my mind, man.
Claudia.
Yeah, cloud my judgment, father. See me even look upon her, I can't even give her eye contact.
Okay, take it off.
No, man, yeah. What? See, I sell out then to watch her now. She not a loyalty, father. She not loyal, dog.
Okay.
But she active still.
Yeah, so much should I rate
I
her?
create the graphic design thing to come. I do graphics as well, you know. Yeah.
So much should I rate her, you say?
I give her a 7.5, man.
Thank you.
What you think about him? Just use up the mic here.
So I give him a 9.
9.
Yes.
Because of why 9?
Because he's honest.
I'm honest.
So I look good, man, honestly.
And you look good.
Oh, come just a one. I jealousy that in a father.
Huh?
I say I jealousy that look like G.
Okay. Alright, my G.
You're supposed to can give compliments.
Huh?
As a friend, you're supposed to can give compliments.
Yeah, my dog, man. You know my ups, but.
Friend zone.
Yeah, my dog, man.
Alright. Alright, so just use up the mic here, mama.
Yep.
Alright, my G, why you pop the balloon?
Alright, you have one scene. I look upon her and she cute. I like her color, you see me? Yeah, the skin, chocolate, look good and all of that, you see me? But the thing is, she attacked her brother too long over there, say, you know what I'm saying? Like, I already get a number though. The man want more number, brother. And she do over there again, we can't do that. I'm kind of jealous, you see me?
Oh, so she just give him too much time.
Too much time, brother. You see what I'm saying?
I like that.
No, I'm not like that.
Yeah, I like your girl their own.
No.
You alone?
Yeah, alone, brother.
Not even work people she for talk to.
No, she can't talk to work people, you get me?
Yes, but you have to keep it professional also.
Yeah. You know what I mean?
All right, so what do you think about him?
I gave him a 9 also.
9.
Yeah, because him look
Thank
good,
you.
him ear neat and thing. Well
Appreciate.
dressed. Properly dressed.
All right.
Appreciate.
All right, what do you think about she?
You should get a 8, see me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Thank
All right.
you.
All right. All right, Maji, big up.
That's it. Big up.
I come to that side. Hey, I'm feel nervous. Yeah, move up the mic like somebody me know. Based on how she look.
You don't know personality, I walk up virus, you know.
Yeah, so she not have that. Tia, boy, the backside. Please, take time. All right, Maji, why you pop the balloon?
Just not my type. You know, I like light-skinned women, but he's decent. But as I said, just not my type, and that's about it. Yeah.
That's it. She's just not your type?
Yeah.
Honesty is the best policy.
That's not my type.
All right, so what you think about her appearance?
You could have, you know, a little better, but you know, your appearance is not
I'm
bad.
not supposed to be here, so you have to see with it. I'm supposed to be here.
Oh, okay.
Exactly. I'm supposed to be at the venue, I prepare.
Oh.
So how you reach here?
Exactly. Friend.
Okay, okay.
You make friend dry you out.
No, it's not like that.
Okay.
It's not like that.
Okay.
All right.
All right. So what you think about him?
Can 7.
7.
Yeah.
What you like about him though?
Just 7.
Just 7?
Yes. It's okay.
All right. What you don't rate her, Maji? You want to rate her? What are the ratings?
I give you a 4.
4.
Yeah, 4.
All right. All right, cool?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. All right. All right, my G. Why you pop the balloon?
Well, first of all, I just want to say sorry for frightening with the balloon. As you see, you're afraid that you have anxiety and one more thing for your brain. But second thing now, reason I pop the balloon, because you not seem confident. That'll beat you right now. As you're not afraid of me, you know?
I'm not afraid of you.
Oh, well, you don't seem confident. You seem like you're afraid, you see me? So now give me that energy.
Balloon just...
Yeah, I see, but sorry about that.
Yeah.
You get me, I say, but... Alright, that's it. I like how she go do all the like hustling and all the like business and all the like thing, you see me? Yeah, but I choose her for that. But I just not my type, you see me? But alright, she beautiful, she look good.
You think about her appearance? How much you rate her?
Yeah, say about that. Then you see me. She say she wear the shoes, she does sketch but look color and thing them marry and but they can go, man. Big up the nice clean self.
What do you think about him, Sammy?
Him alright, well fitted, and I give him a 7 also.
7?
Yes.
Alright, no problem.
Just work out for me, say. You know,
You deserve it. Because you be honest.
yeah, but you think that's
And detailed. That's what I'm talking about.
Big up a nice place.
Alright. So the man them pop the balloon. Walk with grace for me now. Alright, but just answer with the mic. You want me hold the mic for you? You want me hold the mic? Alright, I'm hold the mic for you. Alright.
What mic now?
Based on them appearance, more you pop 1 male balloon. Yeah?
Why you doing me dirty?
Eh?
Why you doing me dirty?
But based on them appearance, pop 1 male balloon, yeah?
I can't see your face. Okay. Why you rub your face?
Yeah, scratch your mouth.
You have allergies. Okay.
Who you pop? Who for balloon you pop?
No disrespect, but as because you're short, I'm more short. I'm afraid that balloon can be. Alright, thanks. Appreciate it.
You afraid of balloon for sure?
Yeah.
Alright, come. Alright, so why you say you pop the balloon?
Because we're on the same height.
They're on the same height.
Yes.
That's the reason. Alright, so how much you rate him based on him appearance? What you think about him?
5.5.
5.5.
Okay.
What you say about that, Maji?
No problem with that. Her opinion.
What you think about she? What you rate her based on her appearance?
For me, what I give her a 6.
6?
Reason being.
Reasonable.
Reason being. You used to cut up yourself, right?
Don't get too personal, please.
No, I'm just asking. Is either you want to answer or you don't want to answer. Alright, so that's the reason.
That's the reason. I'm gonna make you ask one person a question, right? Who you gotta ask a question? Alright. Ask one person a question. Him?
You.
Him? Alright. What's the
Alright.
question?
What are your views on the low birth rate in Jamaica? I just want to know that.
It's a good question, you know. I disagree because youth for born, you know, and the juvenile them forget busted for some baby and them think they're for real, you know, and the girl them just a swallow baby them that take be a pill and a be things and them reach all 40 and have a youth and them think they're right man, so bad views, you see me? Yeah, nothing good pan that.
Can I ask another one?
No.
Alright.
No. Yeah.
Just need one to follow-up detail and something else.
Follow-up detail?
Yes.
Alright.
What are your views on the crime rate in Jamaica?
I mean, less opportunity, increase in crime rate, so therefore, I feel like it can stem. Just that we need proper systems in place from the. So that's my views.
I like your answer.
I like him answer? Your choice now. You have to pop the balloon. Pop one male balloon. Eh? Pop one male balloon. And why you pop the balloon?
Because him give up already. Because him stretch out the balloon, I say him no one. Me for stretch. So him give up.
Give up on life.
Exactly.
Give up on life.
No, I mean.
Not on life. You
No,
gave up.
You're good man, moms. I hear decision when I ask someone.
So why you stretch out the balloon fish, you pop it?
No, because as I said, I see that sir, and them short, you see it. I mean, I want to have you done an extra stretching.
Okay.
Yeah, you know what I mean? I was just being generous.
Okay, so what you think about her? Because you never pop the balloon, right?
No, I'm just going to observe her. I'm a man, I observe, you know. You see me? But I pop it still, but you're good, you know. I give her 8, you know. Pop it reason being friendly thing. If I call you too friendly and them good thing, that means a boy, I leave it too like you say, skin, and bag of teeth with a bag of man all have and band. You leave all boys school at the moms. I like them thing there.
Was she too friendly?
Yeah, I like, why I never pop it, I like the progressive mindset where you have your business are going with, you know what I mean? But you're good, man. Part of that look bad, you see it?
Yes, it's going to be.
Yeah, you can go and step on it.
Alright, you walk with grace, you me, G? Alright, so I want to know, you asked me a question, right? Is this a match?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a match for you?
Yeah.
It's a match for you?
Yes.
It's a match?
Yeah.
It's a match? Whoa.
Exactly. It's a
Let me
match.
tell you, say you're from the mic. Alright, more good. It's a match, right?
Yes.
Alright, so we have a match. Yeah. You wanna have to hug it up and walk with grace. Hug it up. Whoa! We have a match! Yeah! That is it. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. I'm not about up the thing. Tell me how the lineup are going. Good?
Can go on, man. It a drop off a farm, then it pick up.
What do you think?
It's mid.
What you say?
So 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10? No, I don't want to hear no more. Send in the next female. I don't want to hear no more. Into the side, mama. Alright, introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Shan.
Alright, what type of job you do, Shan?
I have my own business and model dancing, music video, and so.
Alright, not bad. Alright, what type of man you like?
Alright, so my type of niggas like, I like tall, brown skin niggas.
Tall, brown, and
Yeah,
slim.
slim.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, it's fat type.
Alright, so shout out your social first.
Alright, so you can follow me on TikTok as mama._dark and on Instagram unstoppable._shan.
I will find out why them pop the balloon. That good?
Sure.
You want to go down the line or you want to pick who?
You can say from anybody.
Alright, let's do this. Come. Alright, my G. Why you pop the balloon?
Alright, so first of all, she said she like tall vanilla, isn't me? My dark chocolate, so now go work.
Yeah, to be honest,
Nah,
I
alright.
like short niggas.
You know, like short.
No.
Year loss.
Huh?
Year loss.
Hmm?
Year loss.
Okay.
How much you that rate her? What you think about her appearance?
Alright, so again, the outfit.
Some volume, right?
Again, the outfit. Just like go up on the beach or go up on the river. So for me, they get a 5 based off
Okay,
appearance.
thank you. No problem.
Oh, cause a river shago?
Look that way there.
Alright. What you think about him?
A tree.
Tree?
Yeah, respectfully tree.
Why tree?
Just not my type overall. Not my type.
No problem with that.
Alright. Alright. Come to the side here. Alright, my G, your name why you pop the balloon?
No, Ryan official on Instagram business page, Saints Kingdom Jam for the tough teas them. The reason why I pop the balloon is you have man name on your back. And the second reason why I pop the balloon is how much man there in our lineup, because I can't really count, you know. 8 or how much they are there. The whole of them will see your nipple and you can't come out here and show your nipple or your areola. And my breast them there alone. Plus you're slim, you should have a little bit thicker. But other than that, you're active. You show off your nipple them to too much, man.
Okay.
Why am I think them exotic for me alone? I don't like that.
Understand.
I don't like that.
Alright,
Look
you
how
there?
I look for your nipple.
this
Watch him corner
is-
your nipple. Look.
But,
Anything you want, someone.
but one question
Yeah.
though. This ain't a man name.
Oh, okay. Oh.
It is my brother
Same now, man.
who died that no say is my family.
I not say no, but I just say a man name. Suppose a my name alone for the pay your body.
No time.
So
Not
see,
put
they
no
can't
man
go
name
work
for
then.
nobody.
You have that too many in pay your forehead. Make them know.
Alright, so how much you that rate her, my G?
I give her a 6.5. I like them thick. I like her vibes still, and she cool and she cute, but just the thickness and then I can't, the man them still a look on her nipple, bro. Believe not for you look for see them a look on her nipple.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay,
What you
thank
think about him? How much you that rate him based on
Well, I
appearance?
give him a 7.
7. Why 7?
I can go on, but I'm telling you, say the thick, not my
Me I
type.
want bigs
Slim.
and she not like bigs.
Yeah, I'm like slim man.
Oh, him a born bigs?
Not really say bigs, but him, I'll say a little belly and. Yes,
I well this them say, you know?
yeah. But you know, my type of slim nigga, you see me?
Alright, my G. Why pop the balloon?
You know what I say? A pole slides alone, foot back for hang off, you know?
What you mean? Our back or slippers, what you mean by that?
Polo, when chopper, foot back hang off, dirty foot back hang off on himself.
So our foot back hang off?
Yeah, she push up her foot more than slippers.
I like wear my foot up in a
No
slippers.
man, baby, leave that for each chopper
It
them.
depends on the slippers.
No, leave
them.
that for each chopper them.
Yeah,
Polo
it's
slides
okay.
and foot back hang off, chopper style, is it? But yeah, I'm a G still, so you don't know.
What you think about him?
Alright, I'm gonna give him a 6.
6.
Yeah, I'm gonna give him a 6.
6 is real.
Why 6?
Why am I giving the 6? What did I play on? Look a side road. I gave the 6. I'm cool still. I'm cool.
Cool.
So I gave him the 6.
Side man, boy.
Bye.
That's fucked up, so what? Me a side man?
No, I was a side man.
You
I
did
say
that on the
I
side
give me
chick?
a vibe.
Like a side man vibe?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, side man vibes.
They should even know what a side man is. You have a pure, innocent, no kind of style them, young.
Alright, come to the side, eh? Alright, why you pop the balloon? Your name?
I'm Ling, but that's not my type still. You know, I like light skin.
Light skin.
Light skin, yeah.
What you think about her based on appearance? How much you that rate her?
You're a 7.
7?
Yeah.
What you think about him?
What I give him? I give him 5.5.
5.5?
Yeah, respectfully 5.5.
Yeah?
You know, could I go lower, you know? No. Pause. You see me? I could have get a different number. But I chose my kind, you see me? But
It's just my ratings. I said respectfully.
I just threw my kind, man. Is that-
Alright.
Okay.
Be kind, my G.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Alright, my G. Why you pop the balloon? Your name?
See you now. That's some can't bother the slim ones them, you know. The too hot in the road, you know. I see my little thing now, I like them thick. Yeah, some I like them thick. You're good season, you look like a nice little badass season, you know them
No,
create
no
it.
put the badass part. No, not the badass
Ah,
part.
nice
Me no
little
dig
good as then. You
badass
look like a
part.
nice little good as I could have go and par with and go and know say, yeah,
Yeah.
I'm good as this.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But you're slim and nice, you do yourself together. I like how you grade down the dog them and them come out well proper. You see me? I give them low grade. So I ask you one question. My light or my dark to you.
Alright, you have dark complexion. You don't like.
That's why I'm up the balloon. I'm never go waste my time and then I hear say, me know, bright enough.
Oh.
For you know what I mean? So me stay dunce.
Yeah, I understand. I understand.
Yeah, but me give you a nice little 3 stays. You go on with yourself.
3 out of 10?
Yeah, bro, enough that, bro. You see me? She nice, bro. You see me?
She get a 3.
Yeah.
What do you think about him?
When I give him a 6.
It's real.
6.
It's real.
Yeah? Alright, come to the side. Alright, why you pop the balloon, my G?
Bro, you was doing so good. You did do so good, like you could have been a match. But when you start telling me about how you can have side man and you start bring side man in the play,
No, me just say him give me
Side
a
man
side
nothing
man
him.
role. That's all him did I behave. Him give me
you
one
might give a side man role. Say no, a side man role. So that now, you see now you bring something in my brain and just suppose me, I'm just overthink and to contemplate my brain right now. But as me say, like our piercing, the little snake eye thing, you see me? Because I do piercing, some look like them look at them. But like the beach outfit, you see me, fit her, body look good in it, you see me?
Yeah.
Go with everything, shove style, because you see that? Match and everything, but
Yeah.
sure man, big up yourself, you look good here. Just don't take side man or take meds.
I will.
Yeah, make to the be the last day talk about side man.
Alright, how much you rate him though?
But I give him a 10.
10?
I'm a type.
Yeah.
Yeah, I give him a 10.
Light skin.
Type, nothing
Yeah,
around.
type.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, what you know now? Oh, pop the balloon. Walk with grace for me now. Alright, so you never get a match today? Walk with grace here, mama. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. We are fine and matching them, G. We are get match on them thing there, you know. So none about play, you know. Your love is outside, okay? Okay, scumbag. send the next female for me now. Yeah. No, just a header. Alright, watch out, my G. We're up on a little rush. As I'm say, you see the studio time. That's what I'm telling you now. If you don't want to support the cause, you can just click the link on the PayPal. I appreciate it. Thanks for the love. You see it, but the studio have to rush up this. Send in the next female for me now. Alright, make sure wait until she's there, sir. Alright. Alright, that's for you. Introduce yourself.
My name is Ashley. You can find me on TikTok and Instagram as one Ashley Famous. Sorry about that.
Ashley Famous.
Yes.
Alright, what type of man you like?
Man, you have ambition.
Ambitious. Alright. Alright, what type of job you do?
Well, I'm a hairstylist and I'm a bar operator.
That not sound bad. That sound good. Huh? Repeat.
A bar operator.
A bar operator? Bar operator. Alright. So, based on what going right now, who pop them balloon? Somebody pop them balloons, so we can find out why them pop, okay?
No problem.
Alright, my G. Your name? Why you pop the balloon?
Little boss and pop balloon because she and my dog have a sparks, is it?
Who?
She and my dog have a little sparks. I'm not really want to get in between them thing. I'm kind of
So
see my...
suppose that you may choose.
No, you can't choose me because my baby over there.
Yo. Nice God.
Okay. Alright, so what you mean before what I don't understand. What you say? You and your dog?
No.
She and who have a spark?
She and one of the dog them have a sparks.
Which they in a line?
Yeah, they in a line up.
How you go?
Alright.
Dog changing mind because she got say suppose me she pick.
Oh.
Like him change his mind, I'm not really interested. But true, she can't pick me because me see who me like her, you know.
That is it.
Alright, so how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
She could have get a 8 as a G.
Are we think about him based on appearance?
Well, him nice and everything, yes. But I give me same 8.
8.
As a G.
Why 8?
Because I like how him dress, him come out and him dress for the occasion.
Alright, cool. Alright, well, I find out why. I don't know where to go. Oh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Alright, yeah. Alright, why you pop the balloon, G?
Look on her two of them.
I'm saying so. Them they know
Look
why.
on the index toe, bro. Look on the index toe. On her
So
foot,
I'm
yeah.
to it. I'm to it.
You know them thing they go.
Oh, you go.
And then she like the G, so I have to make the G, you know?
Don't tell her lie on the girl, bro. She says suppose.
Thank you.
Suppose.
Thank you.
Oh, suppose.
Thank you.
Well, the toe thing for me. She look nice in about the index. Whenever that teach, whenever that spit game for you a while ago,
You tell me.
bro.
What's
So,
the index you have to explain to me?
so look what you see what she got her eye already, bro. A fight, she want to fight me, you know? Any girl with them index toe longer than them big toe beat, man, and a fight, they all look for fight me.
Alright, so what you think about her? How much did I rate her appearance?
That give her a 8, man. Turn around, man, see. Now, I'm not objectifying her, but just like big body and them thing that, not objectifying her.
Is it true because my body flat?
See that too?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so what you think about him?
Well, I like a brownies. I'm like say you do your shirt business and thing.
My
Otherwise,
respects.
you're nice.
Yeah?
Now I'll go around you.
Alright. So why you pop the balloon?
Alright, so I'm gonna pop the balloon because the brother over there so know everything about most of them girls that are coming and says me. And him say she a date him friend and she say him couldn't be lucky one to you.
No, he must say it look like
it goes something like that, yeah.
Oh, cause he must say it look like she and somebody in a lineup of a spark based on how she look on him.
Virgin, you see me? But then she say it couldn't be him too, you see me? Yeah, so
You never say for Papa Balloon. But just give him a compliment.
you want me to keep my balloon? You want me to keep my balloon?
What you say?
You don't pop it already, make it stay.
Still sorry, babes, you know. I like your color still and you see me, I like light skin girl.
How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her a 7 then, you see me?
7?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah, I like that.
Come on. Yeah, man, 7, man.
7? What you think about him?
Well, love a tattoo by the way. I'm a tattoo fan. Yeah, I am. You look neat. Otherwise,
Good?
yeah, I'm good.
Alright, come down the line. G, we'll find out right so. Why you pop the balloon, G?
Because she
Volume then.
Because she said that she supposedly like my dog, isn't me? So that just throw me off.
What you say?
But it's like him a compliment. Because
Not a compliment.
Because him pop the balloon, but still you should still have a balloon same way.
What?
It's just like you see me have my iPhone.
Oh, him? Oh, him you have your iPad?
No, man not say him have my iPhone, but that's him say.
Oh, but him end up pop it on you.
Because of the response, yeah. Get to mind.
Response.
Oh, so him a flirt with. Oh, so she a flirt with.
You see me? Yeah.
Next time.
So much did I rate her, G?
Yeah, 8. You look nice.
8?
Yeah. Pretty man.
What you think about him?
Him nice. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah?
Yeah.
How much did I rate him?
Mother give him a 9.
9. 9. Wow. Alright.
Yeah, man. Respect.
I'm gonna get 8.
Alright, come down this side and we'll find out. My G, why you pop the balloon so aggressively?
Your mouth. No, I like your mouth, man. You have nice smoke, man. I know that me I talk about. Getting a problem. Yeah, the drum roll them.
So, that's what I'm saying, Luz.
You give your next man hope. You know, depend that. The next man not get no hope. You laugh. You still laugh, man. Don't give next man hope. For one man I work with, all if I him I work, I bet you should do. Go and hold it inside. That a true stills. One time the balloon can pop. I just that. That's what I'm telling you, say, yo, you're nice and everything, but I don't like your friendly thing. Is a man, I tell you, I'm jealous, you know. Your brother, I'm a type, I'm a 360 there, so I'm a 360.
But if you want me, make sure to tell that from now.
Move it here, because I hear music flat.
What you say?
I said my benefit is a different thing.
I'm say no.
And then you say my two friends.
I not say that, you know, on a balloon there, so I choose some, I say no. I look the same, see, but it look nice. Look nice. A joke. It look nice. You get 8.5.
What?
Why the half?
Because I get a 0.5 mark off. If I get all the next man up, you're too friendly for you, man. But they look cute.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Alright then, we'll find out why I'm pop the balloon. Uh-huh. What you say?
How much you rate me?
How much you rate? Alright, how much you rate him from 1 to 10?
7.
Bad.
Yeah?
Yeah, done.
Right, this one.
Alright, my G. Why you pop a balloon?
Well, alright, you know. You see me? The reason why me pop my balloon are two things. You look like he's a flirty person. Like a person with text you. And one thing where it looks, you can roll over your eyes and go and so.
It's a habit, so I can't really do not about it.
Alright, that's one I think, you see me? And you're not like being controlled though.
Of course.
You like being controlled?
Of course.
Up next balloon, because them always say, you used to suck finger.
I still suck finger.
Them say girl will suck finger and like being controlled. So I don't know how that.
I like being controlled, yeah.
But should I take up back a balloon? I'm like how she you see the throw she suck finger at girl, a little turn and talk. I'm like her Pandora and her little thing. She put herself together simple, neat, good.
So how much did I rate her?
I give her 8.5.
8.5?
The ear and everything. I love girl with your color here. You see me? She active.
Yeah?
Active.
Alright, what you think about him? How much did I rate him?
As I say, I like man with tattoo and him light skin. Yeah, and him come out for the occasion. You see me? Him look good.
I wait them go crusade. But just show me say me a pass shoes. But I go crusade after.
Church crusade.
Crusade, yeah.
Look good same way. You still look good same way.
Alright. So everybody who pop the balloon, walk with grace for me now. Oh, so nobody in the left back. Yeah?
I realize.
Alright, so you didn't get a match today, so I'm gonna make you walk with grace here. That was the last one then. Cause the dog got You were the last female this my G. Me know, me understand. See? People, bear in mind, just cool the man, me understand. We cut it short. Last female, send her in. Line up good? Or
Them a go on, yes.
Line up done soon.
alright. Bring in the last female for me now. Alright. Introduce yourself.
I'm J Sparkle. You can follow me on Instagram. I'm a female artist, J Sparkle _music on Instagram and J Sparkle Music on YouTube and everything else.
Alright, what type of man you like though?
Honest. Alright, so honest, humble, a family man.
No, not sound bad. What type? Oh, you're an artist, fully. That's the only job I do?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Get a one pop. I gotta find out why them pop the balloon that good.
Okay, cool.
Alright, come. My G, why you pop the balloon?
She know my type.
Why you type?
See my type already and she know me is it.
Alright, so how much did I rate her from 1 to 10 with some volume?
But I give her a 8 still. You see me? And she an artist and me an artist, so it would work.
Oh, she an artist and you're an artist?
That's the main reason.
But you could have bounce over each other?
No, could have worked, like probably do a song and them thing, but artists,
You know, like artists?
Nah.
No? So how much did I rate her?
8.
8?
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
It's alright. But I give him an 8 too.
You give him an 8? Why 8?
Him look alright and him look clean and him sound humble.
So you just give him an 8. So what you think about when him say who they there with the artist?
Well, I don't see myself dating an artist either.
Okay. All right. That's fair. Good. Yeah. All right, so we're going to find out why you pop the balloon. You good?
Yeah.
All right. All right, my G, your name? Why you pop the balloon?
The name is Rinson. Rinson Music. So, yeah, that's the reason I put the balloon, you know. You know, date artist, I'm an artist.
Okay, that's cool.
What do you think about that?
That's cool. As I said earlier, I don't see myself dating an artist, so go with that.
I mean, I get it. She don't see herself dating an artist, and I'm an artist, so.
Yeah, so what do you think about her?
Yeah, I think she look good. I see me hold my balloon all the time, brother. Because she look good, you know what I mean? I like her face, and she have this little African queen type of thing going on with her, you know what I mean? I like queens.
So how much should I rate her?
As a queen, she gotta get a 8, you know?
8?
Yeah.
Because she look like an empress?
She's an empress.
She not look, she's
an empress, yeah. She not look, she's an empress.
So what do you think about that?
My son alright. And I'm gonna rate it a 9.
9?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah, because of your personality and how you carry yourself.
Appreciate it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
9.
9?
Yeah, 9 like the... That's it.
That's side of my brain. All right, why you pop the balloon, Maji?
That's not my type. I like light skin woman. You know? Yeah, that's it.
That's it?
Yeah.
How much should I rate her based on her appearance?
I get a 7.
7?
I'm 7, yeah.
What do you think about that?
I'm cool with that. I like him honesty.
Yeah?
I him not pretend.
All right, how much should I rate him based on him appearance?
I'll give him a 7.
What do you like about him?
He look clean.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Him look clean?
Really?
All right, no problem. All right, we'll find out why him popping balloon come. All right, my G, why you pop the balloon?
All right, the reason why I'm popping balloon, bro, is a very beautiful girl. I can see that. But you just put too much makeup on you. You don't have to do no makeup, I tell you. Your piercing and your dark skin alone that bring you off. I tell you the truth. And your hairstyle. The makeup, like you're just not my type because of the makeup. You see, if you never do any makeup, maybe look past that and you see me, but other time that you have kids though.
Huh?
No.
Kids. Could that be a match, bro? I tell you the truth, that just makeup, you see me?
So if she did have kids, why? What the difference?
Just check, you see me, because young girl nowadays, you see me?
What do you mean by that?
3, 4, 5 pitney. Can't be stepfather for so much, you see me, dog? So it goes still, but she's a very beautiful dark-skinned girl. You see me? Big up your nice queen self.
Yeah? All right, what do you say about that?
As I'm saying, I like man with honest and he give me honesty. So I rate that.
What do you think about him appearance?
Him look good, but I give him a 9.
9? Huh?
Why bad mind traveling every farm?
Eh?
Coming on a balloon too, bad mind? Why them papi just should go give me a 9 and give them 7 and all kind of thing? All right. But as me I say, yeah, look good, isn't me? I give her 8.5. The makeup. Isn't me? A natural, beautiful, dark skin girl. Isn't me? I like a piercing.
Yeah?
All right.
All right, we'll go down the line. All right, why you pop the balloon?
Sharing the honesty thing there too much there. Me and my friend them thief goat and them thing. They say I'm not honest. Me and I can't work. Me and my friend them thief goat.
Okay. So basically you say you're not honest, so she want an honest man and you're not honest.
No, sometimes you can't honest man. You have enough crook in a power, you know. The people them in the blue collar type, them are crook too. And if I want to elevate, me have to thief a little bit. Your mother never tell you say if you work somewhere you can't thief from it in a good workplace. Hey bro, me and spit facts, I tell you no bro. But watch you still, you that thief goat with me? Eh? Good man, good, she hesitate. Yo, you look nice and everything. For him like your dark skin and yeah, you're active man, but you're not a thief, no go with me.
I told how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
That give her a decent 8 man.
8? Like that? What you like about her?
She look nice, bro. I like how she put herself together. The only thing for real still, I know the big girl and makeup, you can ease up off of that because you're pretty for show. But other than that, bro, you're not thief, not go out with me. You have to with the shit, type shit.
Yeah?
Yeah, type shit.
And what do you think about him?
Honesty, as I say, him honest, so I rate that. I'm going to give him an 8.
8. What do you like about him?
Clean, put himself together. I like when man put themselves together.
Yeah?
Only if you come thief to go with me. You have to throw box out that door, you know, or a AD wagon, anything where you prefer. I can't be an honest thief, man. I just want thief in thief, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, cool. All right, so everybody who popped the balloon, walk with grace for me now. All right, so we just have one male left, right? Him never pop the balloon for you, you never pop it for him, right? Someone you ask him a question, and based on him answer, we're gonna see, right?
If I think about that question there. How much kids do you have?
I don't have any kids.
All right, cool.
That was a question?
Mm-hmm.
What's your question, Machi?
One question? Kids? No, real, I look at questions. I'm like the artist thing still, you know. I'm like that. Me help you. You have no tattoo close to you? You clean private part?
Huh?
No.
Like that too. So I look at test question that to see who, you know what I mean? Eh? Yeah.
I don't know about that.
No, I don't want a tattoo too close to our private part. You know what I mean? It's like you say, yo, any man can go so close, you know? Yeah, if a tattoo artist can go so close, you know? But I like that. I like say artist, you look nice. I don't normally dig my complexion, but you're the first girl I kind of, you know, I'll fuck with. Sorry for the expletives.
Yeah.
But you're nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, so she's my match to me.
All right, so we want to find out, is this a match for you?
Yeah.
It's a match for you?
Yeah.
So it's a match for you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So we have a next match? We have a match? I'll get up from now. We have a match? Yo, we have a match here! Yeah! Walk with grace, bro. That is it. Yes, sir. Alright, so people at the end of the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. You see it? If you don't want help, donate because what? We have to rush the thing, because the studio time, the money, yeah? Yeah, we have to pay for the studio times and the money run out, so we have to go leave and cut it short. You see it? So if you don't see the PayPal link below, click it and say you're really all a coffee youth. You know? Alright, watch out. Me I build an Amazon list, wish list, so you can support because guess what? Go on the camera, go. You lock off again? Oh, good. All right, watch out now. Yeah, we need the thing up. Big up the people them who are help the mic and thing, we golden chips.
Got this banana chips for you.
No, for you.
This banana chips for you. Say I got this banana chips for you. Make you crunch it.
GCT forever and ever we say goodbye.
Call them so much him of a boss. Call them so much him of a boss. Call them so much him of a boss. Roll to 200k. Get me a like, comment, subscribe.
Watching them, man, make sure to leave a like and subscribe below, people. Here we go on. Next, Mobi, make sure to follow the social, really so easy. My vlog too, and my vlog channel is really so easy vlog. You see it, subscribe, like, share, everything. Everybody who there, me appreciate you know. Everybody who like, comment, and just watch the video them. Thank you so much, okay? You make me feel like a king. Hitabanga! Yo, it's the pop the balloon and find love. The man them what going? Yo, now sleep on my hand again. Yo, like a one real enough.